Balik ke mana maneh?
Biasa ulinan.
Gas di dia bae ulina.
Bung daw duit kan mana mah?
Yo ada besok ngecek. Aduh si ajuannya nanya ke kayu uditan. Cuh, udah gambar naon? Oh, balapit, ngiluan ah. Tapi jeung saha baturna nya? Oh, Sandi.
Halo, sarang saya.
Si Pebi.
Oh, aya naon?
Iya, aing adalah gambar
Gambar naon?
balapit.
Biraha kitu.
Ayeuna sore.
Oh, heeh.
Biasanya ake kuing samper.
Heeh.
Wah iya jika napit di balap, mau bela.
Wah, itu pit aing dibawa ku saha? Geus lah ning balik bae.
Sampai benang, geus lah ning balik bae. Cumatkeun sana ge jeung sore.
Alah, geus sore euy. Nyang ah. Balapit.
Asia.
Ayo, pangangkatkeun napitna. Berangkat.
Astagfirullah.
Mana ngecek aing eueuh duitan.
Samperannya. Siap.
Wah, yuk.
Has come up. I'm getting excited already. And whether it was going to affect the likes of Lorenzo's front tyre. We saw it in Phillip Island. Will we see it again here in Sepang? Here comes Rossi. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. He'll take no prisoners, and the roar is up wide, but not enough. It's going to be a shootout down to the left-hander. Rossi holds it. Marquez wants it. These two, no love lost anymore. It's a straight war between these two.
I did not expect to see that.
You
See Marquez lose the rear
Marquez
there.
lost the rear. He got on the gas and round it went. We've seen him down his elbow.
He's got problems.
He
You can't
can't-
talk that.
He tore his elbow out in qualifying. If you saw that particular footage, it was unbelievable. He should have gone down. He didn't go down. And now Marquez is chasing Valentino Rossi. Rossi limits the damage that Lorenzo is inflicting at this point.
In terms of the points, Rossi's wide.
Whoa.
Rossi's wide, but he holds
He
it.
does it.
The Hondas would be off, and we'd be talking about Rossi versus Lorenzo.
That was, of course, the smart money. We're through turn 12. We're on to turn
Thank you.
13. On to turn 13 now.
Lorenzo's closing in on Pedrosa.
Pedrosa. I wonder where Danny sits in all of this.
Danny would just like to win a couple more.
Yeah, his first pole for some time, over a year for a moment. Let's look down on what's going on at the moment. Dovizioso still in 5th place. Crutchlow is still 6th. Bradley Smith.
Nào lại nhàn. Đó. Kebacan.